Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you all? Can you people hear me? Am I audible? Good afternoon. Can you hear me? Am I audible to you all? Good evening. So am I audible? Okay. So today I'll be taking your class from this device for today and tomorrow. Please excuse me. From the next week, I'll be taking from digital board. Take it due to some issues. I'll be taking the classes from iPad. So you must be seeing the whiteboard. Yes or no? आप लोग को भी whiteboard दिख रहा होगा? If I'm not wrong. Can you people see the whiteboard on your screens? Hello. Is whiteboard visible to everybody? Can you people see the whiteboard or I'm audible to you? Am I audible? Please write in the chat box so you can unmute yourself and answer. No, I'm not audible to you. Yes, am I audible? Okay. ठीक है. All right. And this whiteboard is visible? Can you people see this whiteboard? Yes, okay. So just for today and tomorrow, just excuse me because I'm not available at the center. So I'll be taking your class from this just for 2 days. And from the next week, I'll be shifting to the digital board. I hope you people can see this and this will be fine. Can we start the class if it is okay with you? Shall we start? And please let me know what else you have covered in the last class. I think you people have attended last bio class. You must have one bio class in absence of me. Yes or no? आप लोग का लगा था कोई bio class in my absence? Yes. Okay. So what was the topic that you people were doing? What was the topic that you people were doing? क्या topic start किया था आप लोगों ने? I think in my last class, what we were doing? Were we doing photosynthesis? Have we people started photosynthesis? Please let me know because I think your syllabus would be completed in your schools, है ना? आपके स्कूल में तो syllabus complete हो चुका होगा. You must be doing your revisions. So let me know which chapter shall we take for the revision. Shall I continue with photosynthesis, which we were doing in the last class? Everybody, please let me know in the chat box. Shall we continue with the photosynthesis? I could not hear you. If you're trying to say something, I could not hear you. Please write in the chat box. What chapter shall we continue? Shall we continue with the photosynthesis? Are you people interested in doing photosynthesis? Shall we start with cyclic, non-cyclic photophosphorylation, Z scheme, and chemiosmotic hypothesis? एक बार मुझको कंफर्म कर दो over the chat box. एक तो what was the last topic that you were doing? And please follow me on the whiteboard. So, please follow me on the whiteboard, everybody. All eyes on me, right? Yeah, then you will be able to see this. I'm just asking what was the last topic that you people were doing. Last class में क्या किया था और shall I continue with photosynthesis? Just say yes or no. Shall I continue with photosynthesis? You people want. हाँ क्या कह रहे हो? You people want me to continue photosynthesis? Just let me know. And please don't write anything on the whiteboard. I request you, please do not write anything on the whiteboard. Region. एक minute. Okay. I am audible, right? People can hear me? Please write in the chat box. Can you people hear me? Shall I proceed? Can you people hear me? Yes or no? Shall I proceed? Okay. So in the photosynthesis, there are three things. ठीक है, अगर हम photosynthesis को continue करें, so we have three things. एक तो you have all the experiments that has been performed. ठीक है. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. एक और message आया I guess. Ma'am can't hear your voice. You cannot hear my voice? But few people are saying that I am audible. Please confirm whether you can hear it or not. I think I am audible because they said yes. Batao, am I audible? Shall I continue? ठीक है, so we'll be doing photosynthesis. ठीक है, photosynthesis. Okay, fine, thank you. We'll be continuing photosynthesis. ठीक है, photosynthesis के अंदर एक तो पहला part है आपका, the first part that we have is all the experiments. ठीक है, it includes all the experiments which is carried out by different scientists. ठीक है, we have different experiments from different scientists, right? And there you have seen various aspects like what मतलब कि different scientists they have discovered different components of photosynthesis, that what all are important in carrying out the experiment. Okay, I just want to know from you people, are we clear with this experimental part? Okay, if we are clear with this experimental part, if you don't want me to repeat the experiments, I can directly continue from the location of photosynthesis and the light reaction and dark reaction. Please let me know once whether you people are clear with the experiments, or I should take all the experiments. Else I'll start with the light reaction and dark reaction directly, because that is the major part of this chapter जो थोड़ा समझने जैसा है. So if you think that you are clear with the experimental part, हाँ जी बोलो. Shall I start from the experimental part, or directly I should proceed from light reaction and dark reaction? What do you say? क्या कहते हो बताओ? Please write in the chat box. Shall I start from the beginning? I shall take a revision from the beginning, from the experiments that have been performed, or I should start from the light reaction and dark reaction straight away. Anybody? Light and dark reaction. All right, ठीक है. चलो. So basically, okay. So एक थोड़ा सा ओवरव्यू दे देती हूँ. स्टार्टिंग में हमारे पास क्या थे? स्टार्टिंग में यू हैव ऑल द रिएक्शंस. पहले तो लेट अस सी व्हाट एक्चुअली इज फोटोसिंथेसिस. ठीक है, फोटोसिंथेसिस में है क्या? ऑफ कोर्स वी नो दैट इट इज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ This is production of organic food. ठीक है, here you are preparing organic food and what is the product that you are getting? You are getting glucose. ठीक है, so you are getting glucose. So basically होता क्या है, you have a raw material which is CO2. ठीक है, we have a raw material which is CO2. This CO2 will give you glucose. ठीक है, this CO2 will give you glucose which is an organic molecule because it is a carboskeleton, right? So glucose is a organic molecule. तो CO2 से आपको basically क्या मिल रहा है यहाँ पे? You are getting, we are taking this chapter as a revision because I know all of this has been completed in your schools. So I am just taking all of this as a revision for your exam, for your preparation. ठीक है, so आपको थोड़ा सा like revise हो जाए, right? So we have CO2 जिससे हमें glucose मिलेगा. Now can anybody tell me that CO2 converts into glucose? This reaction is basically whether it is oxidation or it is reduction. What is happening here? CO2 से जब glucose बन रहा है, ठीक है, when CO2 is being converted into glucose, what is happening here? Whether it is your reduction or your oxidation. Anybody, what is it? Whether it is reduction or oxidation, क्या हो रहा है? CO2 से glucose, glucose का formula क्या है? It is C6H12O6. यही होता है ना photosynthesis में. Like we have a complete reaction. Very good. This is reduction. Correct. ठीक है. Okay, everybody, can you please mute yourself? EMRS Mayer MP. EMRS Mehar MP, can you please mute yourself? Okay. Just give me a minute. I'll erase it and write it clearly. First, let me ask them to mute themselves. EMRS Mehar MP, can you please mute yourself? Okay, writing is not clear. I will try to write more clearly now. Okay, so basically what is happening, this is your CO2, ठीक है? हाँ, CO2 का क्या हुआ? It is reduction is happening and you are getting glucose. What is reduction? You see, here we have added more hydrogen molecules, and if you calculate the oxidation number, by now I hope you people are clear with oxidation number, ठीक है? So also hydrogen is being added. आप किसी भी molecule में hydrogen add करते हो, if you add hydrogen to any molecule, if you remove oxygen from any molecule, that process is called reduction. So basically what is happening here, you have CO2, ठीक है, you are using the raw material CO2, उसका reduction होता है and you get glucose which is C6H12O6, ठीक है? And to perform this reduction, ठीक है, in order to carry out the reduction, there are two requirements, ठीक है? In order to carry out the reduction, there are two requirements. Reduction के लिए you have two requirements. We have two requirements. One is your energy. The one requirement is energy. Now, can you people tell me for photosynthesis where we are getting this energy from? ठीक है, photosynthesis में हमें कहाँ से energy मिल रहा है? From where we are getting this energy for photosynthesis to be carried out? From where the plants is getting all the energy? Please don't write on it. Please write on the chat box, because that will be difficult for me to like assess. Right. Okay, so what was your answer? Please write in the chat box. From where the plants are getting all the energy? What is the source of energy to the plants? Sunlight. Very good. Okay. So basically for the production, for the reduction, okay, for the process of reduction, you want two things. One is your energy. Okay, that energy is coming from sunlight. We have already discussed this part in biological classification. Okay, we have discussed this part in biological classification that there are two type of कहते हैं you can perform photosynthesis in two ways. ठीक है, एक तो होता है आपका एक कीमोसिंथेसिस था, ठीक है, लाइक सॉरी ऑटोट्रॉफिक न्यूट्रिशन, दे कुड बी ऑफ टू वेज, कीमो ऑटोट्रॉफिक एंड फोटो ऑटोट्रॉफिक. हियर वी आर कंसर्न्ड विद फोटो ऑटोट्रॉफिक. In photoautotropic also there are two ways, one is oxygenic, another is anoxygenic. ठीक है, what do you think plants perform? What type of photosynthesis plants perform, whether it is oxygenic photosynthesis or anoxygenic? What do you think? Which type of photosynthesis does this plants perform? Is it oxygenic photosynthesis or anoxygenic photosynthesis? What is it? Oxygenic. Okay, this is oxygenic photosynthesis. Plants में this is only oxygenic photosynthesis. We are talking about higher plants here. Okay, oxygenic photosynthesis. Okay, here we are concerned with higher plants. Here we are only talking about higher plants. So if you see all the higher plants, that means angiosperms and gymnosperms. ठीक है? Higher plant से हमारा क्या मतलब है? We means angiosperm and gymnosperm. They produce your food. They carry out photosynthesis in and also they evolve oxygen. ठीक है? Because they evolve oxygen, that is why this type of photosynthesis is called oxygenic photosynthesis. ठीक है? So one requirement is the energy which is being fulfilled by the sunlight. एक requirement आपका एनर्जी का है जो कौन fulfill कर रहा है? Sunlight fulfill कर रहा है. What is the another requirement? For the reduction, the another requirement that we have is hydrogen atom. Because I have told you for reduction, you need either to add hydrogen atom to the molecule. ठीक है? या तो आप hydrogen atoms को add कर दो molecule में, or what you can do, you can remove oxygen atoms from the molecule. ठीक है? So you have two options for the reduction process. या तो आप किसी molecule में hydrogen atoms को add कर दो, या तो आप किसी molecule से oxygen atoms को remove कर दो, right? So here you want hydrogen atom. Now what do you think in photosynthesis? ठीक है? एक तो मैंने आपको बता दिया, we have CO2 as a raw material. What is the other raw material that we that we have that provide hydrogen atom? What is the other raw material that we have that provides hydrogen atom? Very good, very good. It is H2O. Okay, so that hydrogen atom is coming from H2O. So if you people remember, if you see the complete reaction of photosynthesis, what is the complete reaction? You have CO2, you have water, then all of this will give you glucose, C6H12O6 plus oxygen plus water, right? And here you have sunlight, and then you have chlorophyll. So what is happening? You have CO2, CO2 is producing glucose. Okay, you have H2O. Okay, this H provides hydrogen atom for the reduction process. Okay, this hydrogen atom is helping in reduction of CO2. CO2 का reduction होगा तभी glucose मिलेगा. And for the reduction of CO2, you have H2O. And this oxygen also. ठीक है? This oxygen is also coming from your water molecule. ठीक है? This oxygen is also coming from water molecule. So if somebody asks you from where glucose is coming, then it is your CO2 which is giving the glucose. And from where oxygen is coming, then it is the water molecule that is producing oxygen in the photosynthesis process. Am I clear till here? क्या यहाँ तक बात समझ में आई है? Anybody? Do you have any doubts till here? This is the basic of photosynthesis. ठीक है? Okay, so abhi, as you people told me that you need directly, okay, you need directly to be you want me to directly start the light and dark reaction. So हम directly location पढ़ेंगे पहले. We'll see the location of photosynthesis. Then we'll directly move towards the light and dark reaction. I'm not talking about the experimental work that is given in the starting of the chapter. Is it fine? Shall we skip that experimental part or shall I take that experimental part? ठीक है? अभी जैसा आपने बोला light dark करने के लिए, so I will directly skip on that part. Is it fine? Does anybody have any problem in this? Okay, one more question I have from you people. Whether your photosynthesis is an anabolic process or it is a catabolic process. What do you think? Photosynthesis, is it anabolic process or is it catabolic process? Which type of process it is? Is it anabolic or it is catabolic? Catabolic. What do we mean by catabolic reactions? एक होता है catabolic reaction, एक होता है anabolic reaction. Okay, catabolic means degradation, breakdown. And what is anabolic reactions? In catabolic reaction, you degrade something, you break down something. And what is anabolic reactions? What do we mean by anabolic reaction? What is happening in anabolic reaction? Build up. That means biosynthesis of something. So what do you people think? Photosynthesis में किसी चीज का biosynthesis हो रहा है, means किसी चीज का formation हो रहा है, या आप किसी चीज को break down कर रहे हो? What is happening in photosynthesis? It is a catabolic process or it is an anabolic process? What do you think? Whether it is a catabolic process or it is anabolic process? No, it is your anabolic process. ठीक है? Photosynthesis is your anabolic process because here glucose synthesis is taking place. ठीक है? यहाँ पे आपका food formation हो रहा है, glucose formation हो रहा है. That is why it is called anabolic process. Am I clear? ठीक है, एंड इफ यू रीड योर एनसीईआरटी, ठीक है, if you will if you will read your NCERT, there is one statement which is written that your photosynthesis is a physiochemical process. ठीक है, photosynthesis is a physiochemical process. ठीक है, there is one statement which is the photosynthesis is a physiochemical process. ठीक है, physio or you can say physico. ठीक है, the photosynthesis is a physico-chemical process. Why we are saying it is a physico-chemical process? Because it has two parts. ठीक है, photosynthesis reaction has two part. One is a physical process. एक इसमें physical process है. The other one is your chemical process. एक आपका फिजिकल प्रोसेस है एंड एक आपका केमिकल प्रोसेस है. ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट इज द फिजिकल प्रोसेस इन दिस फोटोसिंथेसिस? द फिजिकल रिएक्शन दैट इज हैपनिंग इज एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. ठीक है, because there is exchange of gases, that part of reaction is a physical process. And what is the chemical process here? The reduction of CO2. ठीक है, जो CO2 का रिडक्शन हो रहा है दैट इज द केमिकल पार्ट ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन, और जो आपका एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस हो रहा है दैट इज द फिजिकल पार्ट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. दैट इज व्हाई योर फोटोसिंथेसिस इज नोन एज फिजिको केमिकल प्रोसेस. ठीक है, सो दिस इज ऑल द योर व्हाट डू वी से, सॉरी, दिस इज ऑल द बेसिक ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. नाउ जस्ट एक छोटा सा मतलब कि ओवरव्यू ले लेते हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट्स का भी. सबसे पहला, यू हैव अ बेल जार एक्सपेरिमेंट. ठीक है, इफ यू रीड योर एनसीईआरटी, द फर्स्ट वन दैट वी हैव इज अ बेल जार एक्सपेरिमेंट व्हिच इज गिवन बाय जोसेफ प्रिस्ले. ठीक है, जोसेफ प्रिस्ले सॉरी. So at first you have a bell jar experiment which is given by Joseph Priestley. ठीक है, Joseph Priestley ने perform किया था. What he has shown you the role of air. ठीक है, role of oxygen. If you people remember what happened in bell jar experiment, he has taken a jar, inside it he has put a candle and a mice. ठीक है, जब उसने jar में, ठीक है, सबसे पहले what he has done, he has taken a jar, inside a jar he has put a candle, उन्होंने कैंडल रखा, एंड ही हैज टेकन अ माइस, उन्होंने माइस रखा. what you will see after some time, what will happen after some time, what will be the observation after some time, what will happen, what will be your observation? In a jar he has taken a mice and a candle. What was his observation after some time? Dead mouse. Okay, he has seen the mouse is dead. Then what he has done, he has placed a plant which is a mint plant. Okay, then he has placed a mint plant. Now what will mint plant do? Mint plant will restore the air quality. Okay, what will it do? It will perform photosynthesis and it will restore the air quality. Okay, mint plant क्या करेगा? Mint plant will perform photosynthesis and restore the air quality. Now once the air quality is restored, the mice will be living. Okay, you will see the mice will be living. So by this experiment he has shown you the role of air, the role of oxygen. Correct? So this is your bell jar experiment. That was the first experiment performed by Joseph Priestley. Then we have Jan Ingenhousz. Okay, the next experiment was performed by Jan Ingenhousz. Jan Ingenhousz used the same setup. Okay, Jan Ingenhousz ने same setup use किया. He has used the same setup, but once he has put the setup in light. ठीक है, once he has put the setup in light and after that he has put the setup in dark. उसने दो जगह परफॉर्म किया. He has performed the reaction at two places, at two locations. At one location there is light, at the other location there is no light. ठीक है, the place where there is light, what will be the conclusion here? And the place where there is darkness, what will be your observation or conclusion here? What will be the difference in both the places? क्या difference रहेगा? Jan Ingenhousz ने क्या किया था? He used the same setup. सेम सेटअप को उन्होंने पुट किया. सेम सेटअप मींस इट हैज अ मिंट प्लांट आल्सो. With mint plant, first he has put that setup in light and then he has put the setup in dark. Where you will think the mice will be living? In which case you think the mice will be living? दोनों में से किस केस में आपका जो mice होगा that will be living? बताओ, किस केस में the mice will be living? In the light setup or in the dark setup? हम ऊपर ऊपर से जस्ट रिवाइज कर रहे हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट्स को. इफ यू थिंक यू हैव एनी डाउट इन एनी ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंट, ठीक है, इफ यू थिंक you have any doubt in any of can let me know. I'll discuss the experiment. Okay, somebody has given me the answer. Dead mouse, light. अच्छा sorry, light but in dark sucrose is used. ठीक है, देखो लाइट रिएक्शन में क्या होगा, लाइट रिएक्शन के अंदर यू विल सी कंटिन्यूअसली फोटोसिंथेसिस विल बी टेकिंग प्लेस, ठीक है, लाइट के अंदर कंटिन्यूअसली फोटोसिंथेसिस विल बी टेकिंग प्लेस। अब जब कंटिन्यूअसली फोटोसिंथेसिस हो रहा है, द कंटिन्यूअसली फोटोसिंथेसिस इज गोइंग ऑन, नाउ एयर क्वालिटी विल बी रिस्टोर्ड कंटिन्यूअसली, सो योर माउस विल बी लिविंग, ठीक है, हियर योर माउस विल बी लिविंग, here you will see the mice will be living, but in dark what will happen for some time, okay, for some time it will matlab ki that see what is happening, you want restored air quality, restored air quality to tabhi rahega jab photosynthesis will take place. Now if you do not have light there will be no photosynthesis, right? If you do not have light there will be no photosynthesis, if there is no photosynthesis oxygen will not be replenished, air quality will not be replenished, hence after some time you will see the mouse is dead, ठीक है, आफ्टर सम टाइम यू विल सी द माउस इज डेड, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट कंसर्न अबाउट द फूड, हम प्लांट के फूड से कंसर्न नहीं है, वी आर नॉट कंसर्न अबाउट द फूड दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन प्लांट, वी आर कंसर्न अबाउट द प्रोसेस फोटोसिंथेसिस, कि अगर फोटोसिंथेसिस होगा, इफ फोटोसिंथेसिस विल टेक प्लेस एयर क्वालिटी विल बी रिस्टोर्ड, if photosynthesis will not be there air quality will not be restored, right? So there the mice will be dead, and at the light, the setup which is present at the light condition, your mice will be living. बात समझ में आई? Is it clear? Everybody, ठीक है, so this is performed by Jan and Genhaus. This is the Jan and Genhaus performed two experiments. One is this, he showed you the role of light, तो यहाँ पे इसने क्या बताया, he showed you the role of light, उन्होंने light का role बताया. Other thing that he has done is he has also used aquatic plant, ठीक है, he has also used an aquatic plant, ठीक है, and inside the water, ठीक है, so what he has shown you, he shown you that the bubbles which is being produced because photosynthesis होगा, if photosynthesis there gas will be produced, ठीक है, अगर photosynthesis होता है तो gas produce होगा. Screen, you are not able to see the screen? बताओ, what is happening to the screen? Is it not visible to you people? Visible है ना, ये मेरे निशार, screen is not visible. Visible है, so somebody saying visible है, it is visible, right? So ये मेरे निशार, try or like rejoining, try rejoining because others are saying that it is visible. Okay, okay, got it. Fine, ठीक है, so this happened with the Jan and Genhaus, but Jan and Genhaus performed another experiment, ठीक है, उन्होंने एक और experiment perform किया था. In that experiment he has used an aquatic plant. Suppose this is the container, it contained, of course it has water inside it, ठीक है, it has water, yep, it has water inside it, ठीक है, इसके अंदर water है, and you use an aquatic plant, ठीक है, you have used an aquatic plant. Now what he has observed, what he has observed that, and also sunlight is coming, okay, here we have the sunlight, what he has observed that the bubbles, oxygen bubbles, because photosynthesis hoga, it's too fast, okay, fine, because I was skipping this experiment, मैं आपको just revision दे रही थी, okay, so let us see this in detail, okay, I was just giving you a revision, but if you want let me give you the details of the reaction, okay. Because I wanted to start light and dark reaction as you people have said. But if you want me to be slow here also, let's do it in detail. Okay. So what we are talking, we are talking about the second experiment of Jan Ingenhouse. Okay, the second experiment of Jan Ingenhouse. So what he has done, he has used a aquatic plant. Okay, here you have water inside it. Okay, here you have used an aquatic plant. Now see, this is your aquatic plant, and here we have the sunlight. And here you have the sunlight is coming, right? So what will happen? Photosynthesis will be performed. Okay, photosynthesis hoga. Now if photosynthesis is happening, okay, the oxygen will be released. We know if photosynthesis is happening, then oxygen will be released in water. Okay, inside water, if any gas is being released, it will produce bubbles, right? If in water any gas is being released, अगर पानी के अंदर कोई gas release हो रहा है, it will produce bubbles. So what he has observed the bubbles is formed. He observed the bubbles is formed only around the green part of plant. ठीक है, what he has observed that bubbles are formed only around green part of plant. ठीक है, so what he has seen, please do not write on the whiteboard. ठीक है, what he has seen that these bubbles are produced only around the green part of plant. ठीक है, plant का जो green part है, whichever part of the plant is green, only around them the bubbles are being produced. What is the reason? Now what is the conclusion or what is the reason for this? ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why bubbles are only seen around the green part of plant? Anybody? Why bubbles are only seen around the green part of the plant? What is the reason? Why these bubbles are only seen around the green part of the plant? Yes, because only green part of plant perform photosynthesis. Reason? Only green part of plant perform photosynthesis. ठीक है, because only green part of plant perform photosynthesis, and wherever photosynthesis will be there the bubbles are produced. ठीक है, so what he has proved, उसका क्या conclusion था, what was the observation, that only green parts of plant, जहाँ पे भी green area होगा, green area means that part has chlorophyll. ठीक है, so any part which is green which has chlorophyll, only that part will perform photosynthesis. This is what he wanted to explain. बताओ ये समझ आया? Are we clear with this? The one which was saying that explanation is too fast, have you understood this? I could not like spell your name. I don't know what is written here. 1F1W. Okay, what is your actual name? Like 1FW212. What is your name? How do I call you? I hope this is clear. Okay, so this was the experiment by Jan Engenhaus. Okay, after Jan Engenhaus, we have T.W. Engelman. Okay, we have T.W. Engelman. Next experiment was given by T.W. T.W. Angelman. Take it. T.W. Angelman, very important. He has explained the action spectrum. He has explained the action spectrum. ठीक है, what he has explained you the action spectrum. Action spectrum का क्या मतलब है? What do we mean by action spectrum? So he explained or he explained that at which wavelength of light, at which wavelength, what he has explained at which wavelength of light oxygen is released, at which wavelength of light oxygen is released. Now what does this mean? ठीक है, इससे क्या मतलब है? We all know that white light has various colors inside it, right? Not that clear. Okay, ठीक है, I'll try. अभी और क्लियर लिखूंगी. I'll write more clear, right? Okay, so what does this mean that he explained at which wavelength of light oxygen is released? ठीक है, so basically what is it? Okay, so basically what happens, we know that white light, it contains like मतलब कि it has a spectrum of color. ठीक है ना? White light contains your various 7 type of colors, that indigo that we know, right? So each color has different wavelength, है ना? White light के अंदर we have different colors and each color has its own wavelength, right? So what he was trying to do is he needs to find out at which wavelength the photosynthesis is performed, ठीक है? He wanted to see whether at each and every wavelength, at each and every color of white light photosynthesis is performed, or there is some specific wavelength, there is some specific color of light at which photosynthesis is performed, ठीक है? So what he has explained you, he has given you action spectrum. Action spectrum क्या बताता है? What does action spectrum explains? It explains that at which wavelength of light और which wavelength of white light oxygen is released. कहाँ पे oxygen release होता है, ठीक है? You must have seen an experiment of prism, right? आपने prism देखा होगा in class 10th. You must have done in that chapter that we take a prism and you pass white light from here, ठीक है? You take a prism, है ना? You take a prism here and then you pass the white light. After passing it what happened? What happens after passing white light from the prism? Spectrum बनता है, ठीक है? So here you get the spectrum of, spectrum means band of 7 color, ठीक है? So here you get the spectrum. That means here you have the band of 7 color, which all the color they have different wavelength, ठीक है? All the color will have different wavelength, ठीक है? All the color will have different wavelength, ठीक है? So all the color will have different wavelength. We need to see whether at all the wavelengths photosynthesis is performed or there is some specific wavelength जहाँ पे photosynthesis होगा. Now how he has done the experiment. So basically what he has done to perform this experiment. Please don't write on the whiteboard. Now see what he has done. Anybody who is not able to see the screen, you can click on follow me button. There is a follow me button over the screen where you can click and you can follow me. So whatever I'll be writing on the screen, you people can see that. Okay, there is a follow me button. Usme you click it and you follow me. So whatever I'll write on the screen, you people will be able to see that. Okay, okay. So what he has done, how he has performed the experiment, he has again, matlab similarly, he has taken the prism. Actually, I have a bandage on my little finger, so I'm not able to write properly. ठीक है ना? So नहीं समझ आता तो let me know. If you're not able to understand what I'm writing, so just let me know. I have an injury on my little finger, so that is why I'm facing a problem to write. ठीक है? So he has taken a prism. ठीक है? Now from the prism, what is this? ठीक है, फ्रॉम द प्रिज्म ही हैज पास द लाइट, ठीक है, यहाँ से लाइट पास होगा विच इज स्कैटर्ड इनटू इट्स कंपोनेंट कलर. नाउ in front of that he has taken, like there is a tube or whatever test tube type thing, ठीक है, in that you place sorry, he had placed algae which is cladophora, ठीक है, in that he has placed and filamentous algae which is cladophora, ठीक है, वहां पे उन्होंने cladophora place किया. Here you have cladophora. Now this cladophora, what does it do? Cladophora, it perform oxygenic photosynthesis. ठीक है, cladophora क्या करता है? Cladophora perform oxygenic photosynthesis. Whatever plants perform, ठीक है, जो higher plants perform करते हैं oxygenic photosynthesis. ठीक है, it also perform your oxygenic photosynthesis. So he has used cladophora use किया, and this cladophora is placed inside a suspension. In this complete tube, you have a suspension. Suspension of what? Here there is a suspension of aerobic bacteria. ठीक है, here we have aerobic bacteria. So you suspension means you have a solution, ठीक है, आपने एक solution लिया, the water solution. Inside the solution you have aerobic bacteria, ठीक है, inside the solution you have aerobic bacteria, and inside that you have placed an algae which is cladophora, ठीक है, आपने cladophora को place किया. Now what you will see, ठीक है, what you will see, देखो, now photosynthesis will be performed. What will happen? You will see photosynthesis will be performed. यहाँ पे photosynthesis होगा. After some time, and here you have different wavelength of light, ठीक है. Now what will happen? You will see that at various different wavelength there are two wavelengths, ठीक है, आपका दो wavelength है, एक आपका red, ठीक है, एट रेड वेवलेंथ, जहां से आपका रेड वेवलेंथ आ रहा होगा, एंड योर व्हाट, ब्लू वेवलेंथ, ठीक है, योर रेड एंड ब्लू वेवलेंथ, एट रेड एंड ब्लू वेवलेंथ, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज क्लेडोफोरा, एंड सपोज हियर यू हैव द रेड कलर, ठीक है, यहाँ पे रेड कलर का वेवलेंथ आ रहा था और यहाँ पे ब्लू कलर का, ठीक है, हियर यू हैव रेड कलर वेवलेंथ और यहाँ पे यू हैव ब्लू कलर वेवलेंथ. सो यू विल सी ओनली अराउंड द रेड लाइट एंड ब्लू लाइट there is the collection of your aerobic bacteria. Only around the red light and blue light there is a collection of aerobic bacteria. Why do you think so? Why only around the red and blue wavelength aerobic bacteria got collected? Why not around the other wavelength of light? What would be the reason? Why only here? Why only around the red and blue wavelength of light you will have aerobic bacteria collected? क्यों वहीं पे aerobic bacteria मिला and not other at other sites? What could be the reason? Okay, what does aerobic bacteria require? What do we mean by aerobic bacteria? What do we understand by aerobic bacteria? Aerobic bacteria से क्या मतलब है? What do we understand by aerobic bacteria? बताओ, what do we understand by aerobic bacteria? Not chlorophyll, ठीक है, chlorophyll तो पूरे क्लेडोफोरा के पास है, ठीक है, chlorophyll is present in the complete organism. Chlorophyll का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है यहाँ पे. पहले तो what do we mean by aerobic bacteria? Right, aerobic bacteria means that require oxygen. Aerobic bacteria का मतलब the bacteria which require oxygen for their survival. Require oxygen for, ठीक है, they require oxygen for survival. ठीक है, aerobic bacteria means these are the bacteria that require oxygen for their survival. So if aerobic bacteria got collected here, that means at these position, ठीक है, at red and blue light, जहां पे red और blue light होगी, that means at that position oxygen is evolved. Why oxygen is evolved here? What is happening? Why oxygen is being evolved here? What is happening here? क्यों यहाँ पे oxygen evolve हो रहा है? What is the reason? Why oxygen is being evolved here and not other places? What is happening? क्यों oxygen evolve हो रहा है? What is the reason of this production of oxygen? What is happening here? Why oxygen is being produced here? क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? What process is going on? See what is happening? Photosynthetic area, correct, ठीक है. Why oxygen is being evolved here? Because photosynthesis is being happening. Because यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Here photosynthesis is taking place. Only at this region photosynthesis is taking place. So see what is the conclusion, what is the observation? He has placed the cladophora algae, ठीक है, and cladophora will perform photosynthesis. Cladophora photosynthesis करता है, but this photosynthesis requires blue and red wavelength of light, ठीक है. So here we are proving at blue and red wavelength of light photosynthesis is taking place, because only at the blue wavelength region which have blue wavelength and the region that have red wavelength, only there aerobic bacteria are got collected, ठीक है. सिर्फ वहीं पे aerobic bacteria collect हुए. Why? Because only at these two regions oxygen is being produced. यहाँ पे oxygen produce हुआ है. That means what is the conclusion? अगर आप इस experiment का conclusion देखो, if you see the conclusion of this experiment, if you see the conclusion or the result of this experiment, so red and blue region are the like most photosynthetic zone, ठीक है. तो जो wavelength which is required for the photosynthesis to take place, that is the blue and red region, blue and red wavelength. So there are the two wavelength that are required are blue and red wavelength, ठीक है. आपको दो जो wavelength चाहिए, that is the blue and red wavelength. So this is called action spectrum. Action spectrum means at blue wavelength and at the red wavelength photosynthesis is taking place. Iska you can make a graph. You can make a graph for this, for the action spectrum. Okay, this is a graph for action spectrum. Here you will see the concentration of oxygen release and here we have the wavelength of light. ठीक है, at max you have red wavelength, बीच में कहीं you will find the blue wavelength. ठीक है, rest you have different wavelengths here. Now at the region of blue wavelength and at the region of red wavelength, maximum photosynthesis is taking place. So you can show it like this. This is blue and this is red. ठीक है, at blue and at red, your maximum photosynthesis, or it is the zone where photosynthesis will take place. This is called action spectrum. Action spectrum means at which spectrum, at which wavelength of light action is taking place. Action से यहाँ पे हमारा क्या मतलब है? With action we refer to photosynthesis, that at which wavelength of light photosynthesis is taking place. कौन से wavelength पे photosynthesis हो रहा है? That is shown by the action spectrum, which is given by your TW Angelman. We have one absorption spectrum also. ठीक है, if you move forward in this chapter, आप इस चैप्टर में थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ोगे, you will see one absorption spectrum. ठीक है, so ये थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलर है. यहाँ से आपको एक्शन स्पेक्ट्रम मिलता है. There you will see absorption spectrum. Absorption spectrum में you will see which pigment absorb maximum, मतलब कि at which pigment maximum amount of photosynthesis is seen. ठीक है, कौन से pigment पे which pigment is more responsible for photosynthesis. ठीक है, in absorption spectrum we see which pigment is most like maximal, मतलब कि at which pigment absorbs maximum light and which is mostly responsible for photosynthesis. But ये वाला जो आपका spectrum है, this is action spectrum, which tell you at which wavelength there is more action, at which wavelength there is more photosynthesis. क्या ये बात समझ में आई? Are we all clear with this experiment? What is action spectrum? How he has performed the experiment? ये इतना समझ में आया? यहाँ तक किसी को doubt है? Do we have any doubt still here? बताओ, do we have any doubt still here? बताओ, सबको यहाँ तक समझ में आया? यहाँ तक किसी कोई डाउट है? Shall I repeat something? Do you want me to repeat something? बताओ जल्दी, यहाँ तक क्लियर है? यहाँ तक किसी कोई डाउट है? Till this experiment, do we have any doubts? Again the graph. All right, all right. ठीक है, देखो, what I told you from this experiment we have concluded that the at the region of red wavelength and at the region of blue wavelength there is maximum photosynthesis. Why? Because at this region only oxygen is being produced. इस दो region में ही oxygen बना था. So that is why at the wavelength of red and at the wavelength of blue maximum photosynthesis take place. So this we have shown through the graph. Same चीज को, the same thing we have shown through the graph. Here you will see the concentration of oxygen release, कि maximum oxygen कहाँ release हो रहा है. ठीक है, maximum oxygen is being released where photosynthesis is taking place. So at the region of blue wavelength and at the region of red wavelength there is maximum photosynthesis. That is why maximum concentration of oxygen is produced as blue wavelength of light and red wavelength of light. This is your action spectrum. बताओ, समझ में आया? Is it clear now? Clear? ठीक है. So this is one of the experiment. After that we have two last experiments. ठीक है, इसके बाद हमारे पास दो last experiment है. The fourth one that we have is Julius von Sarsch. The next that we have is of Julius von Sarsch. Now what does Julius von Sarsch do? Did he has a very like short observation. इनका बहुत छोटा सा observation हमें पढ़ना है. The only observation that we need to study, Julius von Sarsch. Now Julius von Sarsch proved that your plants, they are producing glucose. ठीक है, first of all what he has said that plant produces glucose. He said that plant produces glucose which gets stored in the form of starch. ठीक है, that stores in form of starch. ठीक है, plants produces glucose that store ये सब तो हमें पता ही है कि प्लांट जो है वो ग्लूकोज प्रोड्यूस करेगा, इट गेट स्टोर इन फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च, ठीक है। एंड द अदर थिंग दैट ही हैज सेड इज ही हैड सम फ्यू स्टेटमेंट्स ओनली, ठीक है। ही हैज गिवन फ्यू स्टेटमेंट्स ओनली दैट वी आर सीइंग। पहला, दैट द प्लांट प्रोड्यूसेस ग्लूकोज, ऑल योर प्लांट्स दे विल प्रोड्यूस ग्लूकोज दैट गेट स्टोर इन फॉर्म ऑफ स्टार्च, एंड so like this photosynthesis, it occurs only near the green part of the plant, ठीक है। he told the photosynthesis will only occur where you have chloroplasts. Photosynthesis, photosynthesis takes place around the कहते हैं green part of plant. Just give me a minute. All right. Photosynthesis takes place. Can you people see the whiteboard? Is it visible to you? Can you people see the whiteboard? Is it visible? No. Can you see it now? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So basically what is happening? So the plant produces glucose that gets stored in form of starch. And the thing that he has said is photosynthesis takes place around the green part of plant. Okay? Photosynthesis take place around green part. Okay? Take place around the green part of plant. And all the food that we have, it's getting hang. Food that you have, it gets stored. The food gets stored in chloroplast, ठीक है। whatever food is being produced, it gets stored in chloroplast, ठीक है। chloroplast में store हो जाता है, and the food production, the photosynthesis, this process using chlorophyll. So basically what he was trying to say is we have chlorophyll which is present in chloroplast, that is green in color, and around there only photosynthesis is being done and the food gets stored, और इसी के अंदर food क्या हो जाता है, store हो जाता है। that is all given by Julius von Sasch. बताओ, is it clear? Are these statements clear? इसका पार्ट समझ में आया? बोलो, ये वाला पार्ट समझ में आया? Shall I move to the next experiment? We have the next experiment after this. If this is clear, we have the last experiment which is given by Cornelius von Neil. ठीक है? Next we have the last experiment. Cornelius van Neil, ठीक है? Last experiment given by Cornelius van Neil, ठीक है? Now, what he has given you, he has shown you the reaction, the complete reaction that we have for photosynthesis, that is given by the von Neil, ठीक है? Cornelius von Neil. So ये जो थे आपके, ठीक है, ही वॉज द साइंटिस्ट विच हैज गिवन यू ऑल द रिएक्शन। जिस रिएक्शन से हमने स्टार्ट किया था, द रिएक्शन दैट वी स्टडी अबाउट फोटोसिंथेसिस, हम जो फोटोसिंथेसिस का रिएक्शन पढ़ते हैं, दिस इज गिवन बाय दिस साइंटिस्ट ओनली। यहाँ तक सबको क्लियर है? यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है? बताओ. Not visible, screen is not visible. Everybody, screen is not visible to you. It's Cornelius Manuel. Is it visible? Shall I continue? Bolo, can you see the screen? It's okay. Okay, all right, it's visible. Fine. ठीक है. So next we have is Cornelius Van Niel. ठीक है. Cornelius Van Niel was the last scientist. ठीक है. He has given you the proper reactions for photosynthesis, right? All the reaction that we study, it is given by the Cornelius Van Niel. So basically what happens? See, the reaction that we study today, जो अभी हमने starting में देखा था, what do we have? We have CO2, we have water, and they both react to give you glucose, oxygen, and water. Glucose, oxygen, and water. But the basis of that reaction is given by this scientist, photosynthesis. ठीक है. So he told you that complete photosynthesis takes place in two steps. ठीक है. He showed you that complete photosynthesis, it takes place in two steps. One is your light reaction. And the other one is dark reaction. ठीक है. So he said that photosynthesis, it has, मतलब कि it is divided into two reaction. One is the light reaction, the other one is the dark reaction. ठीक है. Now see what happens. सबसे पहले we have the light reaction. ठीक है. If you see in light reaction what happen, in light reaction the energy molecules are being formed. ठीक है. Light reaction में क्या होता है? So complete photosynthesis divided into two parts. In light reaction energy molecules are formed. ठीक है. In light reaction the energy molecules are formed, and in dark reaction what happen? In dark reaction your glucose is formed. So photosynthesis के लिए we have two things. एक ग्लूकोज बनता है, एक एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल्स बनते हैं. एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल के अंदर you have your ATP NADPH. ठीक है. एनर्जी मॉलिक्यूल से we refer to ATP NADPH. ठीक है. Later on you will see the formation of these molecules like ATP NADPH. So all of these are formed in light reaction, and the other thing they get formed in your dark reaction. ठीक है. So ऐसे दो तरह के reaction होते हैं. So first of all what he has explained, उन्होंने बहुत ऐसे general reaction दिया था एक. ठीक है. He has given the general reaction. He said that there is a compound which contain hydrogen. It could be any compound. It could be H2O, it could be H2S, right? So there is one compound. ठीक है. There is one compound which contain hydrogen atom. It reacts with another compound. ठीक है. It is A is some another compound which is present inside the plants. ठीक है. So H2X, it is a oxidizable compound. It gets oxidized. ठीक है. It is a oxidizable compound. It gets oxidized because we have seen this. Suppose it is H2O, it could be H2O. For higher plants we know it is H2O, it could be H2S also. Some plants use H2S also, right? So this H2 or H2S, it gives hydrogen for reducing CO2. Okay, this we have already seen in the starting. This H2 or H2X, whatever it is, it gives you hydrogen atom. ये आपको hydrogen atom देगा for the reduction process, right? So here you have H2X and the another compound which is already present in the plants. So here we refer to NADP. ठीक है. This is basically NADP which helps in forming the energy molecule NADPH. ठीक है. Now what will happen? This hydrogen is given to this compound A. ठीक है. So यहाँ पे A का reduction होगा. This A undergoes reduction. Suppose it is NADP. Now it will become NADPH. ठीक है. Now it will become NADPH, right? And the other thing that you will get is ये X अलग से बचेगा. ठीक है. Okay. वेट, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग इट अगेन. सो बेसिकली ये जो रिएक्शन है ना, हमें इन डिटेल भी पढ़ना है, ये लाइट और डार्क रिएक्शन. अभी मैं जस्ट जनरलाइज वे में बता रही हूँ, अदरवाइज वील सी दिस इन डिटेल। तो चलो छोड़ो, हम इसको बेसिक देख लेते हैं, अदरवाइज द डिटेल आई विल गिव यू इन लाइट रिएक्शन, ठीक है। सो बेसिकली देयर इज वन कंपाउंड, ठीक है, जैसे हमने क्या पढ़ा था, एक H2O होता है, एक CO2 होता है, राइट। सो अभी हम ये वाला कंपाउंड ले रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो हियर यू हैव H2X, ठीक है। इन योर एनसीईआरटी यू विल सी देयर आर टू रिएक्शंस गिविंग, उसने दो रिएक्शन दे रखे हैं आपके एनसीईआरटी के अंदर, ठीक है। यू हैव H2X, right? H2X, H2X reacts with another compound which is compound A, ठीक है। अभी we are not concerned about what is this X, what is this A, ठीक है। we are not concerned about X क्या है, A क्या है, वो आपको सिर्फ एक generalized reaction दे रहा था in the starting, he was just trying to give you a generalized reaction, we are not concerned about what is X and what is A here, ठीक है। what you need to see is there is one raw material which is H2X, ठीक है। now we know that this H2S is H2O, ठीक है। अब हमें पता है कि H2X क्या है, this is H2O. so what do we have, एक आपका कंपाउंड होता है जिसमें हाइड्रोजन होता है, and then you have another compound A, ठीक है। here we are not concerned about what is A, ठीक है। यहाँ पे हमें A से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। so अब बेसिकली क्या होगा, now what will happen, this hydrogen is transferred to this compound A, यहाँ से जो हाइड्रोजन होगा वो आपको कंपाउंड A को क्या हो जाएगा, ट्रांसफर होगा, राइट। so here you will have, see now this AH, this A will become AH, यहाँ पे A था, इसको यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन मिला, ठीक है। now this A compound will become AH, and then what is left, this X is left here, ठीक है। this is the generalized reaction. first you have H2X, it reacted with A, ठीक है। now A will become AH because यहाँ से हाइड्रोजन आपका A को ट्रांसफर हो गया, it will become AH, and after that X is remained alone. so basically अगर ये H2X, यहाँ पे जो हमने H2X लिया है, suppose this H2X is H2O, we know in photosynthesis this compound which give hydrogen is H2O, right? so here it is H2O. so यहाँ से जो X release हो रहा है, the X which is being released here is what, this is oxygen gas, ठीक है। what is it, it is oxygen gas, ठीक है। so this this scientist, इन्होंने हमें proper reaction नहीं दिया था, he hasn't give you the proper reaction, बस उन्होंने general term में बता दिया था there is some compound which provide hydrogen, ठीक है, जो hydrogen provide करेगा, like it will become AH, and this X will be released as a gas, whatever this X is, this will be released as a gas, ठीक है। वो गैस की तरह क्या हो जाएगा, रिलीज हो जाएगा, ठीक है। बताओ, इज इट क्लियर? See, this is a general reaction photosynthesis, H2O, CO2. It gives you C6H12O6 plus oxygen plus water, right? So I have told you this is the glucose. It is coming from CO2. Take it. This glucose is coming from CO2, and this is oxygen which is coming from water, right? This I have already explained you. This is the complete reaction. Abhi we are just seeing the generalized way. ठीक है, here we are not like very much sure कि ये H2X क्या होगा, ठीक है, ये AH क्या होगा। यहाँ पे हम बस जनरल रिएक्शन देख रहे हैं, वी आर जस्ट सीइंग द जनरल रिएक्शन। सो यहाँ पे हम सिर्फ ये वाला पार्ट लेके चल रहे हैं, वी आर जस्ट टेकिंग दिस पार्ट H2O, this H2O is giving you oxygen, ठीक है। but along with this there is another molecule which is present, ठीक है। एक और molecule present होता है A, that we will see later on in this chapter, जो हम आगे chapter में देखेंगे। if it is not clear here, it will be more clearer to you when we will move towards the light reaction. अगर अभी clear नहीं हो रहा, it will be more clearer when we reach towards the light reaction, ठीक है। अभी just it is given in your NCERT, that's why I have explained you, otherwise this will be more clear to you when we will see the light reaction, ठीक है। Understood? Sorry, I could not hear you. Please write in the chat box. Sorry. What are you saying? Can you please repeat? Shall I move forward? So in light reaction, see what will be the product? You will get this ATP, NADPH and plus oxygen gas. So here you can see this X is nothing. देखो यहाँ से X हो रहा है. This X is what? This X is oxygen. So here this oxygen gas is released, right? So in light reaction, we have ATP, NADPH and oxygen gas. And dark reaction, you will see glucose is being formed. Okay. So if you see the generalized reaction for dark reaction, what happen in dark reaction? देखो dark reaction में क्या होता है? You have this AH compound. ठीक है, we have this AH compound, it reacts with CO2. ठीक है, here you have used the one raw material, we have two raw materials, one is H2O, other is CO2. ठीक है, यहाँ पे आपने एक raw material use कर लिया, that is H2O. Here you are using the another raw material CO2. ठीक है, now this will react and will give you the glucose. ठीक है, this will react and will give you the glucose. So in NCERT, if you will see, he has given you the generalized formula. The generalized formula is CH2O and outside the bracket you have N. ठीक है, so उन्होंने एक generalized formula दिया है. This is for glucose. How it is for glucose? We know glucose is C6H12O6. So if this N represents 6, ठीक है, this N represents 6, so it will become C6H12O6. Is it have you understood this? Is it clear that what does this CH2O bracket N represent? इसका क्या मतलब है, समझ में आया? CH2O bracket N. Is it clear? No. See, here we are representing it at glucose. Glucose का formula क्या होता है? C6. देखो, at that time when he has discovered all of this thing, he was not much clearer about the things. ठीक है, he was not much clearer कि ये जो glucose like यहाँ पे जो food बनेगा, what was the actual formula. ठीक है, he was not very clearer about the food कि उसका actual formula क्या होगा. He was not very clearer about this compound कि H2O हो सकता है, H2S हो सकता है. He has only given you generalized statement. Now we know that the food that is being formed is C6H12O6. ठीक है, but he was not clearer at that time. So उन्होंने एक generalized formula दिया CH2O bracket N. ठीक है, CH2O bracket N. Now this N could be any number. ठीक है, this N could be any number. Suppose this N is number 6. If you replace this N with number 6, that means this 6 will be multiplied with the complete molecule. है ना? This number 6 will be multiplied with the complete molecule. So it will become C6H12 because 2 multiply 6 हो जाएगा. So C6H12O6. ठीक है, so he has just given you the generalized formula. Now we know that this N, it is number 6 because now if you multiply this formula with number 6, it will become C6H12O6. समझ आया? बताओ, समझ आया? यस, ठीक है, इट विल बिकम मोर क्लियरर टू यू व्हेन विल स्टार्ट द लाइट रिएक्शन. ठीक है, यहाँ तो हम सिर्फ जनरलाइज व्यू देख रहे हैं. we'll go in detail about this in light reaction. So here there it will become more clearer to you. Now here you have CH2O. ठीक है, because see this hydrogen is used in the reduction of this CO2. We have already seen in the starting this CO2 will get reduced. So ये जो hydrogen है ये use हो जाएगा for the reduction. ठीक है, this hydrogen will be used in the reduction of CO2. ये CO2 की reduction में use हो जाएगा and the A will be left. So यहाँ पे this A will be released again. We will see later when we study the light reaction, dark reaction, what is this A. ठीक है, ये A क्या है? What actually this compound A? We will see in the light or dark reaction जब उसको detail में पढ़ेंगे. अभी we have seen the generalized reaction कि there is some light reaction. In light reaction there is a formation of this compound AH and there is the evolution of gas. ठीक है, there will be evolution of gas and the formation of some energy molecules. ठीक है, like AH. ठीक है, अभी just हमने AH लिखा है. Then there will be dark reaction. In dark reaction you will use CO2 and that AH. This will give you glucose and that A will be released again. So this is the general view of your photosynthesis. बताओ, समझ में आया? इतना clear है? इतना क्लियर हुआ? सो कैन वी से दैट दिस ग्लूकोज, यस यू हैव ग्लूकोज, एक ग्लूकोज बन रहा है, यू हैव क्या कहते हैं, यू हैव ग्लूकोज and then you have oxygen. This oxygen is coming from which molecule? Is it coming from CO2 or is it coming from water? Oxygen gas is coming from which molecule? Is it from CO2 or is it from water? Water. ठीक है, this oxygen is coming from water. And what about glucose? From where this glucose is coming? Glucose में we have three atoms. One is C. एक minute. Glucose has C, glucose has O, glucose has H. This C and this O, this C and O is coming from CO2. And from there, where this H is coming? In glucose, the C and O atom is coming from CO2, and from where this H is coming? H कहाँ से आ रहा है? From water. Very good. ठीक है. So this we have seen. So basically divided into two parts: light reaction, dark reaction. ठीक है. We'll see the difference between both. कि what is the difference in these two reactions? कब होते हैं? Why it is called light reaction and why the other one is known as dark reaction? Now we'll see that. ठीक है. But before the light details of light and dark reaction, we can start in next class. अभी एक बार हम सिर्फ लोकेशन देख लेते हैं. Let us see the location of both the reaction. ठीक है, location of photosynthesis, where it is happening. What do you think is the location of photosynthesis? If I talk about a higher plant, in higher plant, what is the location of photosynthesis? Where does photosynthesis take place? Leaf and all the green part of a plant. ठीक है, leaf में होता है, and other green part of plant like stem भी हो गया है ना. In stem also you'll see photosynthesis. Green part of plant, it is leaf, the green part of plant. And in leaf also we have some specialized cells which are called mesophyll cells. Okay, in leaf you have some specialized cells, they are called mesophyll cells. Why they are specialized? They are specialized to carry out photosynthesis as they contain many chloroplasts. Okay, these cells contain many chloroplasts. So leaf, they have mesophyll cells. ठीक है, leaf में क्या है? Leaf contain mesophyll cells, and these mesophyll cells, they are specialized because they contain many chloroplasts so that they can carry out photosynthesis. ठीक है, now you will see the location. If I draw one chloroplast, ठीक है, basically क्या होता है? This is your leaf and inside you have cells present. यहाँ पे आपके cells होंगे. You must have seen the anatomy of flowering plants. हाँ, ठीक है, आपने anatomy देखा होगा. Anatomy के अंदर you must have seen the mesophyll cells. ठीक है, क्या है anatomy में है the mesophyll cells? Do we know about mesophyll cells present inside the leaf? Everybody, do we know about the mesophyll cells which are present inside the leaf? पढ़ा है about the mesophyll cell. So if you see the anatomy chapter, ठीक है, anatomy के अंदर if you study about the leaf, inside them we have some specialized cells जिनको mesophyll cell कहते हैं. These mesophyll cells are specialized to carry out photosynthesis. Why? Because they contain many number of chloroplasts. ठीक है, इनके अंदर बहुत सारे chloroplast आते हैं. ठीक है, so if we see the structure of chloroplast, ठीक है, now let us go inside the chloroplast. I am drawing chloroplast for you. It is a double membranous structure. This is chloroplast. It contains these membranous sac-like structure. What do we call them? What are these membranous sac-like structure? What do we call them? This is your chloroplast in which photosynthesis will take place. बताओ, what do we call it? These sac-like structure. Grana is the मतलब कि the group of these sac-like structure. Individually it is called thylakoid, right? Individually it is called thylakoid, and this complete stack is called granum. ठीक है, this complete stack is called granum, and in between them they have some linking thylakoid structure also. That linking structure is called stromal lamellae. This is stromal lamellae. I hope the structure of chloroplast is clear to everybody, right? So this is your chloroplast, and inside you have these membranous sac-like structure. ठीक है, like this. These membranous sac-like structure, these are called thylakoids, and some membranous structures are present like a bridge in between the two granas. ठीक है, ऐसे bridge की तरह होता है. This is called stromal lamellae. And the complete group of thylakoids, ठीक है, this complete group of thylakoid, this is called grana. And the matrix of chloroplast, ठीक है, all the liquid material which is present inside the chloroplast, this is called stroma. The matrix is called stroma, ठीक है, the matrix is called stroma. And if you go inside the, now if you zoom in the thylakoid, ये आपका thylakoid है, we zoom in, and inside it the space which is present is called lumen. Inside the thylakoid the space which is present is called lumen. And the chlorophyll pigments, ठीक है, the chlorophyll pigment that we talk about, they are present on their membrane, ठीक है, the chlorophyll pigment are present on the membrane of thylakoids. These are chlorophyll pigment. These chlorophyll pigments are present on the membrane of thylakoids. ठीक है, I hope ये structure clear है सबको. Is the structure clear to everybody? बताओ, structure clear है? Okay. Now what is important here is, देखो, the complete chloroplast we have divided into two part. ठीक है, the complete chloroplast we have divided it into two part. एक होता है membranous. Please don't write over here. एक membranous system होता है, एक stromal होता है. ठीक है, complete chloroplast has some membranous structure and one is stromal. ठीक है, stromal में आपका stroma आएगा. membranous के अंदर you have two parts. One is stromal lamellae, which I have shown you as a linking part, and the other is your thylakoids. These two parts. Now what will happen in this membranous system? Your light reaction will take place. ठीक है, your light reaction will take place in the, please don't write over the whiteboard. ठीक है, so in the membranous system or inside you can say stromal lamellae thylakoids, your light reaction will take place because it contains chlorophyll, right? And in stroma dark reaction will take place. In stroma dark reaction will take place. So if I'll ask you where will glucose be formed, glucose कहाँ पे बनेगा? Glucose will be formed in your thylakoids or it will be formed inside the stroma. Where glucose will be formed? Glucose कहाँ बनेगा? It will be formed inside the your thylakoids or inside the stroma. Where will be the glucose formed? Glucose कहाँ बनेगा? What is the location for the glucose formation? Glucose कहाँ बनता है? Where is glucose formed, in light reaction or dark reaction? In which reaction glucose is formed? In which reaction glucose is formed? Light or dark reaction? No. See here, I have already told you. कहाँ गया? देखो, in light reaction you have only energy molecules. In dark reaction glucose is formed. देखो, light reaction में सिर्फ energy molecules बनते हैं like ATP, NADPH and oxygen. In dark reaction your glucose is formed. ठीक है, so if I'm asking you where glucose is formed, so it will be formed inside your thylakoids or inside the stroma. कहाँ बनेगा glucose? Inside the stroma. Okay, so inside the stroma glucose will be formed, and inside your membranous system you have ATP, you have NADPH and oxygen. ठीक है, these are your energy molecules. Correct, very good, correct. ठीक है, so this is the difference between light dark reaction and these are the locations. तो ये locations भी important है. ठीक है, these are your locations and basically आपका difference हो गया light और dark reaction में. ठीक है, अब ऐसा होता है क्यों है कि देखो dark reaction के अंदर आपको कुछ enzyme चाहिए होते हैं. ठीक है, you require some enzyme for the dark reaction and those enzymes are present inside the stroma. ठीक है, here you require some enzymes and that enzymes are present inside the stroma. और लाइट रिएक्शन के लिए आपको कुछ फोटो सिस्टम चाहिए होते हैं. ठीक है, लाइट रिएक्शन के लिए दैट विल बी स्टडिंग लेटर. फॉर लाइट रिएक्शन यू रिक्वायर सम फोटो सिस्टम्स. दैट फोटो सिस्टम्स, दैट मीन्स फोटो सिस्टम बेसिकली इज क्लोरोफिल. ठीक है, दैट फोटो सिस्टम्स आर प्रेजेंट ऑन द thylakoid membrane, stromal lamellae या फिर thylakoid में. So that is why light reaction will take place in your thylakoids and the dark reaction will take place in the stroma. I hope till here everything is clear. यहाँ तक कुछ doubt है किसी को? Do we have any doubts till here? Everybody, do we have any doubts till here? कुछ रह गया note down करना? Is there something left to note down? Have you noted down everything? So from the next class, abhi yahan tak note down kar lo. If you have any doubt, then ask me. Note down till here. If you have any doubts, ask me. So in next class, we will be moving with the light reaction. Okay. From next class, we'll be seeing the light reaction. So in light reaction, we have your cyclic photophosphorylation, non-cyclic photophosphorylation, और उसके बाद वी हैव केमियोस्मोटिक हाइपोथेसिस, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन, नॉन साइक्लिक फोटोफॉस्फोराइलेशन and your chemosmotic hypothesis that we'll be covering in next class. अभी यहाँ तक नोट डाउन कर लो, यहाँ तक कुछ डाउट है ना, लेट मी नो. एक बार टिल हियर, टिल दिस टॉपिक, डू रीड योर एनसीईआरटी. ठीक है, अपना एनसीईआरटी रीड करना टिल दिस टॉपिक. एंड इफ यू फील you do not understand any statement or anything that you have not understand, then you can ask me. ठीक है, till here, before the light reaction. Light reaction, that means cyclic or non-cyclic Z scheme वगैरह जो भी आपका, that will be covering in next class. ठीक है ना. अभी नोट डाउन कर लो. एंड डू यू पीपल हैव योर एग्जाम्स इन योर स्कूल? डू यू पीपल हैव योर एग्जाम्स इन योर स्कूल अभी? yes, yes. Is it going on right now? अभी चल रहे हैं? बायो हो गया. And what was the syllabus? It was a full syllabus test or some specific chapters? Full syllabus. How was it? Biomolecule नहीं बेटा, अभी biomolecule नहीं हुआ. If you want biomolecule to be started, so after photosynthesis we can do biomolecules. Full. How was it? So that means all the chapters have been completed in your school. ठीक है. So you people can let me know if you think that I should take some particular topic, कि मैं कुछ particular topic पढ़ाऊँ, I should take some particular chapter. So you can always let me know. And if you have any doubts in any of the topics, आपको किसी और chapter से, from any other chapter, from any other topic, if you have any doubts, you can always ask me. ठीक है, you can always ask me. And I hope this chapter is fine because I'm taking it as a revision. So I think like photosynthesis is an important chapter, and it includes various processes which needs to be understood. So that's why I've taken this chapter. I hope you all are okay with it, with me taking photosynthesis for the revision. Is this chapter fine? And what you people have done in last class? What was the chapter that you have done in last class? Because I think somebody else has taken your last class. So what have you done in your last class? Circulation. Okay. How much of it? कितना पार्ट किया सर्कुलेशन का? How much in circulation you people have done? Half. Like, have you seen, मतलब कि have you completed the structure of heart? Have you seen the double circulation? Double circulation हो गया, the complete flow of the blood. ओके ओके. सो कहाँ से करना था उसमें? लाइक वो किया आप लोगों ने, क्या कहते हैं, नोड, एसए नोड, एवी नोड वगैरह? नहीं, थोड़ा सा. ओके, सो लेट अस डू दिस चैप्टर. एंड somebody has asked me about biomolecule. If you want biomolecules, so after this we can do biomolecules. ठीक है, इसके बाद हम biomolecules कर सकते हैं. Otherwise any topic, any chapter that you want me to revise, because अब तो आपका revision ही चल रहा है, it's only revision time, right? So any chapter you want me to revise, you think that it is difficult, you have not understood, you can ask me, right? अभी तो हम photosynthesis कर रहे हैं, that is an important chapter. So after photosynthesis you can always let me know that what else shall I start. All right, so please note it down. किसी को doubt है तो लिखो, otherwise you can leave the class. We'll start the topic light reaction in next class. Thank you, take care, bye bye everybody. Bye, thank you. Bye, take care. Hola say. Take care. Bye bye.